My name is Priyadarshi Amit, Dr. Priyadarshi Amit. I'm a shoulder and elbow surgeon, a senior consultant. I'm working at Amrita Hospital. So, Mr. Surendran Nair, he had come to me last week with pain in the shoulder, with difficulty in movement of the shoulder. He was struggling for last 6 months. We did some investigation. We diagnosed him with frozen shoulder. He also had some features of Biceps Tendinopathy and some damage to the rotator cuff tendon. So we advised him surgery, which he happily agreed with because he wanted to get rid of all his symptoms. So we took him for surgery. He underwent Arthroscopic Capsular Release, Biceps Tenotomy and Cuff Debridement. We did surgery within 1 hour and he was discharged the next day. And we have seen him in our clinic in 2 days, and it is fantastic. He's improved well. He's having almost full range of movement. Pain is not there, so he's quite happy.
Hello, my name is K.P Surendran Nair. I came here in Amrita Hospital for my shoulder problem and met Dr. Priyadarshi Amit, who advised me to do some operation in the shoulder, which I got on 13th of this month, and I have been relieved on 14th. Now during these 2 days I have been advised to do some exercise, which I had very carefully, and now I am feeling very good. There was no problem. Now I would thank Amrita Hospital and Dr. Amit Priyadarshi for the cooperation and the treatment provided to me.